In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wise Money Transfer. By the end, you'll feel confident sending money quickly, clearly, and with full visibility on fees and exchange rates. Start by signing in to your Wise account on the website or the mobile app. Use whichever you prefer. Both work the same way. Make sure your profile details are up to date so transfers go smoothly. Once you're in, look for the Send Money button. On desktop, it usually says Send Money, and on mobile, it's simply Send. Tap or click to begin. Enter the amount you want to send and choose the currency you're sending from and to. Wise will immediately show you the live exchange rate and every fee involved, so you know exactly what the recipient will get. This transparency is helpful. Take a moment to check the rate, fees, and the estimated arrival time before moving on. Next, select who you're sending to. You can send to yourself, to someone else, or to a business. If you already have a recipient saved, choose them from your list. If not, add a new one by providing the necessary bank or e-wallet details for their country, such as their account number, IBAN, or other local requirements. If the person uses Wise, you can also send directly to their Wise contact details. Double-check spellings and numbers here. Even a small typo can delay a transfer. Now, choose how you want to pay. Depending on your location, you can fund the transfer with your Wise balance, a bank transfer, or a card. Paying from your Wise balance or by local bank transfer is often the most cost-effective, while card payments can be the fastest but may carry slightly higher fees. Wise will show you the exact costs and timing for each option so you can pick what suits you. Before you finalize, review everything on the summary screen: the amount you're sending, the exchange rate, the fees, the recipient's details, and your chosen payment method. If something looks off, go back and edit it. If it's all correct, confirm and send. Wise will process your payment and keep you posted. You can track your transfer in the app or on the website. You'll see status updates and get notifications when the money is on its way and when it's available to the recipient. Timelines can vary by currency, country, and local banking hours, but Wise will show an estimated arrival window so you know what to expect. That's it. Log in, set up your transfer, confirm, and track. With Wise, everything is up front, so you always know where your money is and what it costs.